Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Danielle is joining us yet again, and we were just talking about lips and lipstick, and you were saying that you get a lot of questions, right?
Totally, I get so many questions about lipsticks, how-to tips and tricks, you know, like about wearability, everything to do with lips.
Yeah, so we were gonna go through our top 3 do's and 3 don'ts of lipstick application, and I know I definitely learned something from this one, so I hope you guys learned something from this video too. Okay, Danielle, what's the first tip you got for us? Let's hear it.
So the first tip I have is getting a clear lip liner for lining your lips to keep all of your lipsticks from feathering out and keep making sure everything stays put.
Awesome, and it acts the exact same as a normal lip liner?
Exactly, so the same as a normal lip liner, it's a clear wax pencil. Line the outside of your lips, fill them in. It keeps everything from feathering, bleeding out. You know, that common issue we have with cream lipsticks, it keeps everything put. So.
And that saves you from having to buy 30 different lip liners to match your 30 different lipsticks.
Exactly.
So it's a money saver.
It's a big money saver.
And a lip saver.
Tell me tip number 2.
Okay, tip number 2 is one I use all the time because I really love the consistency of a cream stick formula. It's my go-to formula.
Totally.
But it sometimes rubs off, it doesn't last all day. So to counteract that, I actually powder my lips down. You just put a tissue first, a 1-ply tissue, and then you take a brush and use any face powder and just dab your lips. And it mattifies your lipstick and it increases longevity because it's not gonna be sliding around your face as you work all day. So let us in on the 3rd do of lipstick application. Let's hear it.
Okay, so this one's a pretty big one and one that most people aren't thinking about, and it's the shelf life of your product.
Yes.
Like, so it really is about all of your makeup products, but especially when you're talking about lipsticks, you need to check them. They typically last about 1 to 2 years, and that's because you're using this on your lip.
Oh, that's actually a really good tip because I only learned that this year, that at the bottom of every single package, whether it be moisturizer or a lipstick, it actually tells you how long you can keep your product. So there's no guessing involved. It's really easy.
Just take a look at the bottom of your products, all of them. They do say normally in like a month basis, and you can take a good look at you know, when you should be tossing your stuff because you don't want to be spreading germs, you don't want to get sick, and that's really important for your health, your mouth health, all of that involved. So the first tip that we want to share with you to not do is when you're wearing a matte lipstick, something that you really want to last a long time, we see, and I've done many times, is layer it with a gloss. And as soon as you do that, you change the formulation. It's no longer super long lasting or wearable. It mixes together, right? It's now a gloss.
It's a gloss.
Yeah.
You no longer have that stain powder, and even when the gloss wears off, I'm never left with product anymore. It's just gone.
Yeah.
So that's the one thing that I need to, that I've stopped doing because I've learned, but.
Like if you want to wear a gloss, totally go that route, but if you're looking to have a matte liquid, that lasting power, stick with just the straight matte liquid on your lips.
Yeah, agreed.
So what about this second don't that you've learned?
Okay, this don't took me about 24 years to learn.
We've
been wearing makeup since 3 months.
All right, let's hear it.
But you should not be over layering your matte lipsticks.
Oh, yes.
When I have a matte lipstick and I love the color, I'm just like, yes, this looks so good. Do another, and before I go out, I'll do another. And then after I'm done drinking, I'll do another. And all it does is just layers and gets
cakey,
thick, cakey and chunky, and it's just a trend that needs to stop.
Yeah, I think it's just you're doing it because you're just wanting to like quickly apply and do a little touch up, and that's great. But what I would suggest for that like first step when you want to do that, even just do a quick wipe off. Do like a fresh start. Like even a piece of tissue works, or if you have like a nice set of like wet wipes you can just use there. That's the best thing to do first to kind of reset your look. Even when you're applying for the first time, right? You're going like, let's go. A little goes a long way. Yes, exactly. Let's go. And a little goes a long way. That's all you need.
Yeah. This last one is one that we've done about 30 times today. And we advise everyone, do not leave your house without the thumb suck.
The thumb suck. So if you haven't heard this before, this is going to change your lipstick game. Essentially, you put on your lipstick, and before leaving the house or going to that event, you do a thumb suck. This don't is like a huge one because it's a lipstick game changer. You know, you're at that party, you're chatting with someone, next thing you know, you got lipstick on your tooth. We don't want that to happen to you because it's happened to us.
Yeah.
probably a few
3 times today.
3 times a day. So basically you take your thumb, we're doing the thumb suck, and you just do like a quick thumb suck out. Like that. And anything that lands on your thumb is what would have landed on your teeth.
Yeah, which is really gross. Trust me, if you're wearing lipstick right now, do the thumb suck. Look at how much stop, pause the video, and look at how much lipstick comes off on your thumb.
You'll be amazed, so.
Yeah, and disgusted at the same time.
Now we're good at it. The thumb suck.
There you have it. Those are some of our do's and don'ts of lipstick application. I hope you learned something. I definitely learned something. I had no clue about the wax clear lip liner. That's gonna save me so much money, and I don't have to buy 30 lip liners now.
There you go.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, no problem. If you guys have any questions or really want to get more detail about some of our tips and tricks, or you have something that you want to share with us,
tell us.
Tell us, leave a comment below.
Yeah. And if you're not already, if the button says subscribe, you're gonna wanna click that to make sure it says subscribe with a D. So click that, make sure you're notified so you don't miss any of our videos. And until then, we'll see you later.
See you.